Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be showing you the process how to apply for the fully funded scholarships in Ireland. These scholarships are offered from University College Cork, and they are offering these scholarships for masters, postgraduate, or PhD. We'll show the detailed application process for this. Before we proceed, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel for scholarships. If you are new here for the first time, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarship related content is posted here on a daily basis. The link for this scholarship in Ireland is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective description of each of the scholarship videos. Also in the about section, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanuk.com. And on Instagram, you can directly message our team, ask for the link, or on the Google search, you can directly visit the fullscholarships.net. And once you land on this page here, you can apply for this particular scholarship, and all details regarding the University College Cork UCC is listed here. So these fully funded graduate scholarships are worth 2.85 million euros, and they are open to home and international students. For each selected student, there will be a total of 150,000 euros and in scholarships for each year. Total worth of scholarships for per student with an annual stipend of 25,000 euros. This is all tax free. Besides this, there will be additional fees. Deadline for this will be depending on the faculty members will be recruiting the PhD scholars as well as postgrad students, and it's all over. It's usually open throughout the year, and there's no IELTS required for this. Besides $25,000, 25,000 of euros per year, there'll be research and conference support. It's open to all international students. There are 19 fully funded PhD opportunities at University College Cork, and is a part of RIN Artificial Intelligence, and is open to EU and non-European Union students. The total grant is 2.85 million euros, and to be considered for these scholarships, you need to have a minimum of bachelor's degree and English language proficiency. And also, you should apply for scholarship. Before that, you need to contact a research supervisor that you wish to apply. And benefits we already have discussed here. And then how to apply, you need to go here and click on this link to start the application. Click on this link. Once you click on that, you can see the official notification from the RIN institution and UCC. There you can see all details regarding the scholarship, 19 fully funded PhD opportunities at University College. These are all part of the RIN and Artificial Intelligence School, and the grant. So if you scroll down, you can see how to apply. Please click here to apply and indicate research theme and supervisor name in the appropriate place in the form. So you can see this different research themes are there, and supervisor names are also mentioned here. So you need to contact any of these supervisors. Their email are also listed here. So whatever is your potential or interest topic, you can contact the supervisor on their designated emails and express an interest in application for the PhD or the research, so that once they accept you, once they acknowledge acceptance for you, then you can submit this application form. Besides that, you should try contacting 2 to 3 supervisors which are relevant to your subject. Now go back to this section here, how to apply. You can see a link provided for the form, so click on this link here. Let me go back one step and open this in a new tab so that we can copy paste the supervisor details later on. Now you can see a Google form here, and you have to give your first name and last name, then your email. I'll just copy my email here. Then if you are a native speaker of English, you can select that, and if you have IELTS, then you can still select that. So what's your nationality? Mention that. And promoting diversity in our student cohorts is important, which is why we ask the gender, so select that. Have you come through the Irish education system or international? So we'll just mention international system. If you have to come through Irish system, please indicate one of you which applies. So we have not, None of the above will select. Iris system, if you have not come through iris system, which of the following apply to you? So none of the above. Then click on next. Now please specify where you have completed or are about to complete your UG. So we have completed. Please specify the field of your UG degree. So we'll mention the BSc AI. Then please specify the expected if applicable grade of your so first honors to so it's depending on which you have, so you can say first division, then specify the expected date of graduation. If you already graduated, you can mention that. Now click on next. Please specify where you have completed or about to complete a postgraduate, not applicable to us. And if in case you have PG, you can mention what you have. Then specify the field and then specify the grade if you have got grade and date of graduation. So you need to mention it as I am mentioning masters as well. So I'll just keep a 2 years of gap. Now next, topic and location preference. Please specify if you have discussed your application with supervisor. For example, I have discussed this. Uh, so if you're responding to an special instant advert, name of the person. So we'll just mention this detail here, copy this and paste it here. Then please choose the first preference of a research theme. So we'll go with the climate and sustainability. And second, we'll go with the data spaces and infrastructure. And third, we'll go with the equitable input. So now select the first preference of a host institution. So there are different. I'll go with the Trinity College Dublin. And now click on next. Now you have documentation. So first you need to upload the cover letter. So let's upload the cover letter here. One by one you need to upload the documentation. Now you upload your CV. All these documents must be in PDF. So now I have uploaded this. Now transcripts, or you can say degree certificate, upload that. And any supporting documentation you can add. Now once you are ready, you can review the application, and once you are clear that there are no mistakes and nothing needs review, you can simply hit submit button, and you can see uh, your application has been submitted. You can edit it before closing the page, and in case you have any confusions, you can ask us directly on the website here, fullscholarships.net. On the right hand side you can see Instagram support. Tap on that, it will take you to our Instagram page here where you can contact with the chat assistant and a team. If you have any questions regarding this scholarship, you can write on the website directly. And this is the best opportunity for you to secure your position abroad. And there is an 25,000 euros of stipend per year, that's also tax free. So this is all in hand, and total worth of 150,000 euros of the funding for one student each course. So this is best chance for you to get the funding and apply for these positions here. And Ireland is one of the top destinations preferred by international students to go for the higher education. In case you have doubts, go to website fullscholarships.net, ask us there directly. That's it for today. I'm signing off. Full Scholarships. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.